Great. So now let's do the same for list 2. So we're going to say L2 dot for each, because we want for every entry in the second list, to write L2 entry. So I've written this method name, but I obviously don't have a method like that ready. But when I hover over it, I will get this nice little light bulb, and Visual Studio will actually suggest to generate that method for me. Since I'm lazy, I love that kind of things. So he will create a method, private void, write L2 entry with the parameters that it requires. So I'll just click it, and I'll have this nice little entry over here, and I'll use debug write line to write this value. Perfect. Let's go ahead and run this code and see what we get. So as we move forward, we wrote all the names, and now we wrote all the numbers. Great. So delegates are actually simple when you think about it. They are just a reference to a method with a specific signature. Action string is a method that will receive string as a parameter and return not parameter. Action int is a method that will receive int as a parameter and will return void because it doesn't need anything. And action is widely used. You will see actions quite a while, and whenever action is used, it will never return any value. It will always return void, and it will accept the parameters that will send it in as a parameter. Great. Let's also add here, just for the sake of future arguments, let's write over here also debug write line object.length, so we'll get the length. Sorry, not over here, I want it here. Debug write line object.length, not over there, val.length, yeah, fun to do mistakes. So we'll also get the name and then the length of the name next to it in a new line. We'll say also length plus. Now it's not really useful, I'm sure you're guessing what it's going to show, but I want it for the sake of future demos that we're going to do. So let's see, Noam length 4, Steve length 5, Yoni length 4, and 40, 56, and 34. Cool.